In the heart of a nondescript town, within a poor yet loving family, resides a young boy named Charlie Bucket. The Buckets live in abject poverty, their modest home constantly filled with the clatter of hunger. Despite these challenges, Charlie's spirit remains unbroken, his heart warm with love and hope. Nearby stands the world's most marvelous chocolate factory, owned by the eccentric and enigmatic Willy Wonka. For years, the factory gates have been closed to the public, shrouded in mystery and wonder. But the world changes when Wonka announces a contest, 5 golden tickets hidden inside his chocolate bars. The tickets will grant a visit to his factory, and a special prize awaits one lucky child. Charlie, like millions of other children, dreams of finding a golden ticket. Fate intervenes when, on his birthday, he receives a Wonka bar from his grandfather. Alas, no ticket. Undeterred, Charlie finds himself scavenging for hope. The miracle occurs when he discovers a dollar bill in the street, uses it to buy a Wonka bar, and uncovers the final golden ticket. The day of the factory visit arrives. Charlie, accompanied by his grandpa Joe, finds himself among a peculiar group of children: Augustus Gloop, Veruca Salt, Violet Beauregard, and Mike TV. Each child embodies one of humanity's excesses. Willy Wonka, an eccentric vision with his top hat and extraordinary inventions, leads them through a mesmerizing journey inside his factory. Among chocolate rivers and edible candy fields, each child falls victim to the flaws of their character. Augustus' greed, Veruca's entitlement, Violet's competitiveness, and Mike's laziness all lead to their downfalls, leaving Charlie as the last standing. Charlie's humility and honesty catch the eye of Mr. Wonka, who reveals the true purpose of the contest: to find an heir to his chocolate empire. Charlie's reward is the factory itself, ensuring security for his family and a future filled with joy. The narrative serves as a powerful allegory, highlighting themes of kindness, humility, and the dangers of self-indulgence and greed. It teaches that true worth comes from within, and that goodness will always triumph over vice.